welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. On this channel I'm always uploading makeup and beauty related videos, like for example makeup tutorials, haul and empty videos, as well as review videos where I'm testing out all my new beauty products. And I'm always uploading on Wednesdays and Sundays. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you always get notified when I'm uploading a new video. And in today's video I'm organizing my whole makeup collection because I was recently moving and so I decided I need to reorganize my whole collection. And I've just decided to time-lapse this video just to make it a little bit more fun. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy it and let's get started.